Hi, this is Joe, and I'm back with another video from Menace SI Racing Project. And today we'll be discussing big brakes for the Civic Si. So let's take a look at that. Right now I've been looking for a big brake set. I haven't found one yet. There's one that I like. They said coming soon. It's not out yet for the SI. I know they have a lot of brake kits for the non-SI, but I have yet to find one for the SI model. So if you know where I can get a set of big brakes, big brake kit for the SI model, just let me know. Put it in the comment section, and I'll appreciate it. Other than that, I'm waiting, checking websites, waiting until I find something that comes out. For right now, I got just the brake covers. I got them off eBay. I'm always on eBay, like you know. I got brake covers. They're okay. They look all right, but you know, I prefer the real brakes. You know. Here's another look. Here's the back. They say Honda on them. They're just covers. And you know, I'm impatient, so I wanted something on there. You know, so I just got the covers for now. But I will be going with the big brake kit as soon as I find one. Remember, if you know where to get some, and just let me know and leave a comment down there. Let me know what brand, where to get them, how much, you know. And I appreciate that. All right. Well, thanks again. See you on the next video.